what is climate adaptation and resilience? When we face this question on a regular basis, I just like to make sure that we're all beginning in a fairly shared place or on this discussion. Climate change, adaptation, and mitigation are opposite sides of the same coin, which is broadly climate action. When we bring in social equity, we get to hopefully outcomes that include community resilience. So climate adaptation and mitigation plus social equity bring us community resilience. This is a model that I've taken from Movement Strategy Center and has since been used quite extensively across the adaptation and resilience field. And why are we doing this right now? And what is our purpose and our urgency? Let's see, on my left, hopefully on your left too, this is what I define as the climate adaptation space. This is the space we're in right now. It's a space that is basically 2020 to 2070. We have a high level of certainty about what our climate impacts are going to be during this time. We've been able to model really successfully increases in precipitation, in heat, in severe storms. We know what's going to happen. And we also know that we are in the last phase of time where we can really meaningfully mitigate climate impacts and going into the future. And so in this period, in what I think of as a planning horizon space, we can really be choosing what is the future that we want. We can choose the future that we want, both in terms of how we are secure against the impacts from climate change that are with us, that are guaranteed to come our way. And then we can still bend the curve on where do we want to see our future generations in 2100, 2150 and beyond. This is where all good adaptation includes mitigation in order for us to take advantage of the adaptation space that we're in.